It's a windstorm. Oh, fuck me.
Welcome back everybody to Geechy Uncharted, the channel where we explore the frontiers of the wilderness. In today's episode, I venture out into the mountains of Washington in the wintertime to climb what's known as the Haystack Mountain. My journey started here, right at this blue gate, and I was going to be following old logging roads to get to the top of this mountain. For now, my objective is to follow this road. The correct way will be the less scary path. I was just a dude enjoying a nice nature walk in the wilderness, and in the beginning here, I even found an Easter egg in these woods. What's this? It's an old fucking car. Oh, this thing's like merged with the tree. I probably got some kind of an achievement for finding this.
That is a nice creek.
In the distance, I was starting to see the mountains I would be climbing up, and as I got closer, it began to rain.
It's really starting to pee-pee out here, but we push on. Regardless, we push on into the hills. I'm climbing up there, I think. Jesus Christ, dog. Probably can't see it much on the camera, but that's a steep fucking incline.
This was where my flat road would come to an end. From here, it was going to be an uphill trek into the mountains.
Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck. I gotta be careful of deadfall.
Yep. This is where the fun begins. Little did I know I'd perfectly scheduled my climb to coincide with a winter storm. For now, the winter storm was teasing me with rapid random wind and rain strikes followed by periods of calm.
What is this shit? This area be treated herbicide. Oh, it's a herbicide warning. Yeah, we're looking out here. The storm truly came in right as I was climbing. We're very much in the wind. Yeah, it's a windstorm. Oh, fuck me. That's high winds. That's really high.
You know what the catch was about this mountain? The road didn't actually lead to the top, but I wanted to actually get to the peak, so I had to follow this old-ass road, which ended up just not existing anymore, and I was gonna have to bushwhack to the actual peak.
But it's not a road. It's not a trail. We're gonna see if I can climb up that.
The final ascent up to the peak was gonna take me through some overgrown terrain.
Oh. The only thing I know for sure is that this wind needs to fuck right off. Okay, I think we're here now. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Haystack Mountain. Here we are, ladies. Here we are, gentlemen. Fucking froze me. I think that's all I'm gonna be able to film. That was fucking insane. That was some of the strongest winds I've ever experienced. I literally couldn't even stand on that fucking peak. I couldn't breathe, just blowing my fucking face.
And that was it. If you guys actually enjoyed these videos, please consider hitting that subscribe and that like button, and you'll be doing me such a huge favor. As always, have a wonderful day.